super windy today, but not raining anymore, so I'm taking the opportunity to do my sanding outside, so I'm going to get cracking on that. So I'm using a clay-based paint for this piece. It's actually my first time using clay-based. Normally I work with chalk-based paint, but this is by a company called Earthborn, and it's their eco-chic version of the paint, which is great for furniture. It's in the colour Heidi Hole. It looks a little bit uneven as it dries, but once it's fully dry, it's this like beautiful sort of clay texture. Yeah, really smooth and even, and yeah, they have a great colour palette, so worth checking out. I am getting absolutely covered in paint trying to do the inside of this. You can see, but I've done the back and the bottom with a brush, and then I'll use the roller for the remaining edges.